Ia ni ka kanika Shithi Shah Honorable Chief Minister mentasi kaba in share bat fi ki media ru kalong kai ka belong alaming khamtam yangi ka state jungi Meghalaya hakabai dei bat uranium te kabaningkong kalong ba kami kene ka office memorandum jong ka Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change how September pratrik arjar arhusan hakaba kane ka office memorandum ka ong ba ya kine ki critical minerals mo ka exam ya ki mining projects for minerals classified under part B atomic minerals and part D critical and strategic minerals of the Mines and Minerals Development Regulation Act from public consultation processes. Previously kine ki project they need required mandatory public hearings where affected communities could voice concern and provide input on potential environmental and social impacts. Teka jingra jongi kani jong kani ka issue Shai Honorable Chief Minister jong ka state ka jongi kalong ba kalong concern om tanya ka state jongi henrei ya borok koi hi kari India namanta jongi ki tribals. Khamtam bangi tip ba kum kine ki mar ki ba dei atomic minerals khamtam ki dan bon ha ki areas ki badai jong ki tribal land. Te hakani ka OM yo I Shai ba ya kani ka issue ki kam exam ru na po ka 6 schedule hakaba ka state jongi ngitep bangi dan ha po ka 6 schedule 98% te natakata karaw nakaliang jongi kum ka Npyf ni sokya ya kani ka office memorandum ka balami jong ka government of India but tang kata bangi ai ka jing tho show chief minister badan buram hendrai nakaliang jongi ka Npyf ngin ya chakmat bangin wat bangin ya bodien chedu Delhi ru na menta kani ka issue khamba hakani ka jala ka jongi ka kumba exam ya ka CE kidiban exam ya kanya ka issue ka belong very concerning and very critical na kabanta ka state ka jongi
ulang kalian ni di tumbor
ngumne mo along ngimpat voice ya concern jongi sha government of India tingila ya voice ya concern sha honorable chief minister tengi nakalian jo ka Npyf ngin persyangken ba ngin raise ya ka voice ke jongi khnang ba ka government of India kan sngap ken yangi telada kam sngap pat ngin hapan shim ya ka senjam da kumwei kumno ba ngin ya penya teli yangi tribals baro ba ngin hapan Pyrshah be namar kane ka de ka issue ko belong kata when it comes to atomic minerals. So kani ka issue te ka ngimla ban ngin chula ban adjust ne bangin chu sngap la sngap ne bangin chulang matla hendrei nginya be sakmat ba kapaning kong kalong ba we will go through a diplomatic dialogue da ka ba kran da ka jingsung kumno ba ka government of India kan exam yakini ki loss ki ba hap ki belong very critical khamtam ki state ki berit kum ka Meghalaya ka jongi te kata ka di baning kong te lada kim exam pat tingin hapan ni perkhatkin ngathai larang ya tristom lang kum ka Npyf ya trai lang ba ka government ka district council ru kan ya trai ringkat ngathai ka kanum ka government of India ba kan so snap ya ki concern ka jongi ken kata ka di kan haliang ka jongi